Hi guys, this is Alan from Thursday Financial. So for today, I just want to talk about a few things that you need to keep in mind when you are trading in binary option. And well, for the strategy for today, I'm gonna use the one of my recent favorite strategy, which is the simple moving average crossover with the parabolic. So let's set up the indicators first and to see how you can use the strategy and what you need to keep in mind when trading with binary option. So okay, so let's set up the indicators. So let's go to technical indicators. Just click on that, and then we will select the simple moving average. So put a tick on simple moving average, and then we'll open the drop down for that. Okay, so we just need to make sure 3 simple moving average are all selected. And then next we will go to the parameter. So for parameter, we are using a 7, 13, and 200 parameter. So again, SMA1 is 7, SMA2 is 13, and SMA3 is 200. So okay, so after we get that down, we move on to the parabolic. So put a tick there, and then we open the drop down for that. Just open the drop down. And then for the parameter, we're using a 0.05 and 0.1. So again, 0.05 and 0.1. So okay, so that's all set. We'll close the technical indicators window. So the last thing we need to make sure for today, I'm trading with a 30 seconds option. So I will be using a 10 seconds chat period. So again, 30 seconds option period and 10 seconds chat period. So we are all done with the setting, and then we are ready to go. So just make few trades now. Okay, so now this strategy is a trend following strategy, meaning that in order to use this strategy, we first need to identify there is a trend market. So how to do that? So as I mentioned, I talked about quite many times. So we will be using the yellow simple moving average, the long-term simple moving average to identify a trend direction. So when this simple moving average is on top of the candlestick, we will say that this is a downtrend. So now you see that the simple moving average is heading downward from left to right. And then now I will open the low option. So the timing for me to open a low option first, I need to look at the parabolic. So I need these 2 parabolic to change color from blue to red. So that's a bearish indication. And then after I get that, I need to get a confirmation signal from the from the simple moving average, which is a 2 lines crossover and then blue line below red line. So that's a confirmation I need from the simple moving average. So now the trade is finished and it's ended in profit. So it's pretty easy. So I'll just try to make a few more trades and see how much I end up with today. So okay, so just browse a little bit here, and it seems like most of the currencies are in downtrend now. So just try to look for a better one to trade with. Okay, there we go. So again, now we see that the simple moving average, the yellow one, is heading downward from left to right. So what I need to wait for is to wait for the parabolic to change from blue to red, and then I need the simple moving average to cross over the blue lines to be below the red line. So in here you see at this moment the parabolic did change color from blue to red, but then you see the simple moving average is actually in a bullish indication, which the blue line is on top of the red line. So when you trade, you just need to keep your mind clear the whole time. You need to know that the signal from each indicator needs to be matched with each other. So now I opened a low option because when now you see the color changes again, but then when I open the option, the simple moving average actually in a bearish indication, which that's why I opened a option there. So the trade is looking okay, but then just now when I placed the trade, the price started to jump up. and that is actually not avoidable because you know the currency market changes in every seconds, and then that will happen, and then you will just need to accept what is already happened. So well, but anyway, the trade just now was ended in profit, so which is not bad. So okay, so well, I do have another downtrend here. So what I need to talk about next is that the timing for you, the chart for you to trade with. The ideal chart for you to trade with is a gradual developing chart, developing price movement. So in here, you see the candlestick is actually really gradual and smooth. There's no sudden jumps or falls. So that's actually a candlestick chart that you want to trade with. So you want to trade with something that is easy to predict, and that is something that is developing gradually. So that's the one here we are looking at. So in here we have a downtrend. So the yellow simple moving average is above the candlestick and is heading downward. So the parabolic already changed from blue to red. So the last thing I need to make sure here is a bearish indication from the simple moving average, which is the lines crossover, and I need the blue lines to go below the red line. And now that's the timing. That's why I opened a low option there. So okay, so just need to wait for a little bit here. So there's a really short option, 30 seconds. So well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna finish soon. And you see, right after I placed that trade, the price just drops gradually, and it's looking good, and well, yep, just this falls back down at the last moment, and I ended in profit. So okay, so let's take a look at the history. So okay, I made 3 trades today, and all 3 were ended in profit. So I have almost $150 profit for today. And my profit goal for every day is actually around $100, so I have reached it, and I'm happy with it. So well, again, a reminder: when you trade, the first thing you need to make sure is to keep your mind clear the whole time. You need to know what signal the indicator is giving out, and if you are using multiple technical indicators, you need to match the signals from multiple technical indicators, and to confirm that the signal is a true signal. So and next, what you need to keep in mind is to trade with a gradual developing candlestick chart. So to avoid sudden jumps or falls, and so that you can have a more accurate prediction on the price movement. So well, that's pretty much it for today. And well, if you do have any question on the strategy that I talked about just now, or any of the points that you don't understand, just leave me a comment down there, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And well, that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And I will see you soon again next week. Bye!